Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trigger some sounds in the Beatbox machine project. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that when a specific key on our keyboard is pressed, we're going to switch to a funny picture, one of our backdrops. We're going to play a sound, and then we're going to switch to a blank backdrop. So to do that, we're going to use code like this. So I'm going to make code for, zoom in, the up arrow. So when I press the up arrow, I want to switch to a funny picture. So let me just go with photo number 1. And then I'm going to play some kind of a sound. Since I'm a percussionist, I like to play the drums. So I'm going to pick a drum. And let's do bass drum. Cool. And then after that, I'm simply going to switch to a blank backdrop. Now if we go to our backdrop tab, we can see that backdrop 1, the name of that, is a blank one. So I want it to switch to backdrop 1. So now when I press up arrow, this is what it does. Cool. So now I'm going to add in code for the remaining 3 arrow keys. All right, so now I've added it for each of the 4 arrow keys. So when I do the left arrow, up, right, and down. So now I can drum with my face if I wanted to. Now, there is a little bit of a problem if you try and use the sound blocks. If you're going to use a sound block instead of the play drum or play note block, you want to make sure that when you do it, you actually add in a small wait. So, for instance, wait for like 0.5 seconds. So make sure when you're doing this with the sound block, they add in a little wait block in there, so that way it will still work out and it won't just skip through it really, really fast. So go ahead and add in some code like this. I only added in 4 because I only had 4 photos, but if you have 20 photos, then you're going to want to add in 20 different algorithms for each of the keys that you want to press to show the photos, play some kind of sound, and then switch to your blank backdrop.